Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you tuning in once again. So we got a little stash ad, some oldies and some newies and some all kinds of stuff. So yeah, so let's get started. First off, my good friend Bob over at Midwest Scale Models sent me some polish. Their model club sells polishing sets. It's a 4-piece system, and I thought very cool. So he was awesome enough to send some over to me and try out, and I actually use a little bit, and it's fantastic stuff. So you get little bottles. You get basically your one, let's see, then your two, then your three, and your four. So the 4-piece system, and each one gives you a little instruction sheet on how to use which one is what. So very cool. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to using that on a all over finished build. So Bob, I really appreciate that, man. That is awesome. You just send that. I will definitely put that to use. And I tell you what, these are really cool little bottles too. So it's because I'm always using those big bottles, and this is a lot nicer. It's just got the little dropper on it, and oh yeah, that's really cool. I love it. Other than that, we got a few items we picked up along the way. So we got a couple newer ones here. Well, at least I should say one newer one. So Tony Lancer and I, we did a little trading, and I ended up with this one here. I traded the new Mercury Comet, the white box art Comet. Drawing a blank on the actual car itself. It's the Mobius Model King Comet. And I told him I would like the 90 LX50 Mustang police car. So we swapped out for this kit. I thought, that is cool. I'd like to build this. I like the cop cars theme. Seemed like every state had one back then. So I would definitely like to put that to a build one day. Go that route. And other than that, we'll pick this up. Actually, my stepson ordered this for me, and I was thankful for that for him, that he got this. And we got the new 71 Mobius 4x4, the anticipated kit everybody's been after. So I was thankful for him picking that up for me. He says one of those, hey, it's one of those early Father Days gifts. So I thought, cool, I appreciate that, Ben. Thank you so much for that. So I'm sure a lot of you guys have seen this truck. Very cool. Not sure what color I'm going to do it in yet, but I definitely want to build this sooner than later. Just one of those really cool looking trucks. So we got some old stuff here, some older stuff. So check this out. This one's a pretty good size one. This is the 1/25th scale Paystar 5000. This is a international dump truck. The old Ertl series. Check that bad boy out. It is still all in the bags, except for the engine has been built. That's the only bag that's been open. So a lot of cool stuff in that kit. Other than that, the rest of it's still sealed in the plastic. So very cool. It's got some cool stuff in the back. I tell you what, I would love to find that plow set. I think that'd be super cool, because I know they make like a 1066 International tractor, which would be really neat to find as well. But I'm sure those kits are very hard to come by. So we picked that guy up, and last two we got. Now these are not complete. They're almost complete, but not quite. So first off, we got this 66 Mustang Fastback MPC. Check that guy out. That's Antique Week right there. I wanted this for the box. I didn't care if it had the car in it. The car is actually in there. It's probably almost all there. This was like a 2-in-1 kit, but it's only basically one in there right now. And it has a nice teardrop hood on it for a Mustang. I thought that's really cool. So really neat. Just some really cool box art on there. So you had, and then this was Bud Anderson, and this is Dean Jeffries. Their designs, and all those parts were in these boxes. So really cool. Get this right set up. So like I say, it's half in there, but I didn't care. I just wanted the box. I thought the box was super cool. So it's just going to go up on a shelf somewhere, and just for display. Another one picked up. This one's almost complete. The only thing it's missing is the engine. I would love to find an engine, or maybe try to figure out how to print one. Check this out. This is the Rupp mini bike. This is a 1/8 scale. It is all there in the box except for that engine. And there's no decals in it. So once again, really neat. I had to have this, even if I just keep it for the box art. I thought that was super, super cool. Yeah. Other than that, guys, that's all we picked up. So I hope you guys have a great weekend and enjoy yourselves. Keep building those models. We'll see you in the next video. You guys have a good one, and thanks for watching.